My name is Mike Sheffield, and today I'm going to talk to you about measuring bottles. Measuring a cylindrical bottle for a label is very easy. You want to measure from where the curve ends at the top of the bottle to where the curve begins at the bottom of the bottle. And then you want to take about 1/8 of an inch away from it. That way if you have any movement, it'll give you a little bit of play on the actual application. The other thing you want to do is you want to take the circumference of the bottle. The easiest way to do this is just to take a tape measure and wrap it around and measure it. But if you don't have that available, you can also take the diameter with a regular ruler, and then you can multiply it by pi, which is 3.14, and that will give you the circumference as well. Once you've done that, you want to determine whether you want to actually overlap the label or whether you want a gap on the back. The advantage to the gap is that you don't have to worry about lining the label up. So if you leave yourself about 1/4 to 1/8 of an inch gap on the back, that should be fine. Flat panel bottles like this, easiest way to measure this is with a ruler. Simply measure the width and the height. Then again, you would want to take out about 1/8 of an inch, so you got a little bit of play this way, and 1/8 of an inch, so you have a little bit of play that way. As you can see on this particular bottle, I've got quite a bit of play left to right and top to bottom. On a regular shaped bottle, such as this tapered bottle here, you want to determine whether you can put a regular label on it or not. The easiest way to determine that is to take a straight edge and put it next to the bottle, the container, and you can see if there's a gap at the top or the bottom. If you see a gap, you know it's irregularly shaped. As you can see from this particular label, there's quite a bit of an arc to it, and it's going to be very difficult to measure. I suggest you send it in to us and we'll go ahead and do the measurements for you. Hopefully this has been helpful to you in sizing up a bottle. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our customer service department. If you have an irregular shaped bottle such as this, send it in and we'll be happy to size it up for you.